Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about HubStaff, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a HubStaff account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a HubStaff account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're working with a lot of different assistants or maybe employees, you know that managing their hours and time tracking can be time consuming. With HubStaff, it makes it easy to have everything in one central location. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the HubStaff website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the HubStaff website, and here on the homepage, if you want to create an account, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. First, you can go ahead and enter your email right here and click on create account. And from time to time, HubStaff does run various promotions. You can see they're doing a free 14-day trial right now. Check my description for the most recent discount. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click right here. Okay, guys, in order to create your HubStaff account, you need to enter your first name, your last name, your work email, and then create a password. Lastly, you need to go ahead and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in that information, HubStaff does send you an email to verify your email. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my email and click on the verification link. Okay, just a quick second later, it brings me back here to my browser. Now, if you have any invitations, so if maybe your boss or your coworker invited you into HubStaff, you're going to see the invitations right here. However, if you are the owner, then you're going to go ahead and create your new organization inside HubStaff by clicking right here, create organization. Okay, so here you can go ahead and create your organization. So first you're going to go ahead and type in the organization name. So okay, here you can put your website if you want to do that. Also, you can invite new members, so team members here to your organization. And next you want to go ahead and click on get started. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and choose the plan that you're going to sign up for with HubStaff. So they have a lot of different pricing options. Just be aware that you have a 2-seat minimum right down here. So this is $4.99, but you need 2 seats. So it's going to be right around $10. Also right below, it's going to show the different features and benefits that you get with a higher paid plan. So that's really going to depend on how often you're going to be using HubStaff. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose the team plan. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you're choosing annual, quarterly, or monthly for the payments. So this is $10 per month if you're going to sign up for annually. But for the monthly, you can see it jumps to $12 per month because you get a discount for signing up for the entire year. So I'm going to do monthly for this particular account and click on choose team plan. Okay, so they have other add-ons that you can go ahead and include with your membership. So these two looks like they're included with my plan, but there's all these paid add-ons. So this is $3 per seat for more screenshots for my assistants to be working. Also data retention and locations. I don't really need that, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on next. Okay, next you do need to enter in your credit card information in order to create your HubStaff account. Depending on the special they're running, your card's not going to be charged immediately. So for my account, I'm not going to be charged for 14 days because there's a 14-day free trial. Here you can go ahead and add in your coupon code. If you need a coupon code, check my video description. I'll try to leave mine there. And down here, you want to go ahead and enter in your credit card information. And again, they're not going to bill immediately if you have the free trial like I do, but it will immediately after your free trial. So just kind of keep that in mind. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, after entering my credit card information, it brings me here to my dashboard with this welcome video. So let me go ahead and close this down. Okay, so here we are in the HubStaff dashboard. So I can go ahead and start adding in my assistants. I can go ahead and start tracking time and also creating projects. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a HubStaff account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.